Your home will be free from moisture. You'll never see mold on your walls again. Start by taking 2 or 3 lemons. Roll the lemons back and forth with the palm of your hand. This will help you extract more juice from the lemons. Lemon juice has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Next, cut the lemon in half and squeeze out the juice. Add 1 small teaspoon of granulated garlic to the juice. Thanks to the allicin in garlic, it inhibits the growth of mold and fungi. Mix everything well. If you have dark-colored walls, you can add a few ground cloves to the mixture. Slowly strain the mixture into another container using a wet cloth or gauze. Take a plastic bottle with a dispenser. Pour the liquid into the bottle and close it tightly. Use this homemade solution in areas prone to mold and fungi. This remedy will help you solve the problem once and for all. I do this once a week to get rid of mold. Place sponges, scrubbers, and brushes that are in the sink into a bowl. Then, generously sprinkle them with salt. Salt has cleansing and disinfecting properties. Pour boiling water over the entire contents and leave it for a few minutes. The salt and boiling water will remove bacteria, fungi, and mold from their surfaces. Once soaked, these items will be hygienic and safe for health. The unpleasant odor will also disappear. Mold has appeared in your house? You can quickly remove it with a super effective spray. This homemade product always works. Thanks to it, many people got rid of mold once and for all. Today I will show you the recipe for this spray. Before you use it, let me tell you one more thing. Or rather, the hidden function of one thing. If you do not ventilate your apartment, the lack of air circulation favors the development of mold and fungi. If you don't have air vents, unseal the windows. The handle in most plastic windows has an additional function. In addition to opening and tilting the window, you can unseal it. Position the handle diagonally, at an angle. Additionally, always turn on the absorber when cooking. Then steam will not settle on the walls and ceiling in the kitchen. However, the most important thing is always good air circulation in the bathroom. This is where you most often need to remove mold from tiles, in the shower or bathtub. Many people have to use home spray in the bathroom. To prepare it, prepare 3 products. The first is vinegar. It has long been successfully used to combat mold and fungi. The second product is hydrogen peroxide. You can buy it at any pharmacy. It also effectively removes mold. However, vinegar combined with hydrogen peroxide becomes much more powerful. Use them in equal amounts. Pour the mixture into a large or small bottle and spray it on the mold areas. Add a dozen or so drops of tea tree oil to them. Now, no mold has a chance. Leave the preparation on the mold for several days. Then, wash off any mold remnants. Be sure to throw away the cloths and brushes you used to clean and remove mold, and that's it. If you did everything correctly, the mold will disappear. From now on, you will always know how to remove it. Mold in the grout in your shower will disappear in minutes. If you've got mold in your bathroom, you can quickly and effectively remove it with this simple home remedy that always works. You only need 2 ingredients to prepare this solution. First, get a spray bottle. A spray bottle is perfect for this trick. Place a funnel in the bottle's opening to make pouring easier. Add 2 teaspoons of dish soap to the bottle. Then pour in a cup of vinegar. Vinegar effectively kills bacteria and mold. Mix the solution thoroughly. This mixture removes dirt, unpleasant odors, and mold. Now just spray the mixture on the bathroom wall tiles, shower doors, and moldy grout, which is often found around the shower. Wipe it down with a cloth and dry thoroughly. You'll quickly notice how the surfaces become clean and shiny. In no time, they will look like new. Your home will be free from moisture. You'll never see mold on your walls again. To start, take 3 or 4 lemons. Roll the lemons back and forth with a flat hand to make it easier to extract more juice. Lemon juice has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Then, cut each lemon in half and squeeze the juice. You should get around 400 milliliters from 3 large lemons. Next, add a small spoon of granulated garlic to the lemon juice. The allicin in garlic inhibits the growth of mold and mildew. Mix everything thoroughly. Also, add a small spoon of cinnamon. Now, take a sieve and a tall container to strain the mixture. Use a coffee filter or gauze for straining. Slowly pour the liquids into the container, allowing the cinnamon to remain in the filter. Grab a funnel and a plastic spray bottle. Pour the liquid into the bottle and close it tightly. Shake the mixture well, so all ingredients combine. Use this mixture on areas prone to mold and mildew. Spray the tiles and grout in the shower. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then wipe the surfaces with a cloth. Mold and mildew around windows are common problems. This homemade solution will help you eliminate the issue once and for all. Mix dish soap with toothpaste and pour it into the toilet. You'll get rid of dirt and unpleasant odor. It's a trick to remove exceptionally unpleasant stains in the bathroom. With this homemade method, you'll eliminate all the mess and odor. Sometimes various food remnants are poured into the toilet, which cannot be thrown into the trash bag. Sometimes the toilet gets dirty when you have food poisoning. It doesn't look good then. The smell can also be unpleasant. That's when homemade liquid comes to the rescue. It will clean the toilet, and above all, leave a pleasant smell immediately. You can also clean the sink or a dirty shower with it. They will be clean, shiny, and will smell nice. Pour a small cup of floor cleaner into the dish. Most of these liquids can also be used for cleaning other surfaces. Add a cup of baking soda to it. Baking soda cleans and absorbs bad odors. Pour a cup of dishwashing liquid. It removes many stains, including greasy ones. It foams perfectly. Also, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. It disinfects and smells intensely and pleasantly. Finally, pour a cup of plain water. Mix everything together. You can clean the bathroom with this liquid. Just pour it into the toilet and clean it as usual. It will remove even greasy dirt. The unpleasant smell will disappear immediately. After flushing with water, it will be like new. You can also use this liquid to clean an exceptionally dirty sink. The stains will disappear, and it will be shiny, white, and fragrant. You can also clean tiles and grout under the shower in the same way. There is always the most dirt in the corner by the drain. You will easily remove it. With this amount of liquid, you can clean the entire bathroom. A simple trick for a clean bathroom. Wash your bathroom walls this way, and the tiles will shine for a long time. It only takes a moment, and your bathroom will sparkle. You wouldn't believe what builds up on the tiles in your bathroom. With this trick, you'll easily remove all the dust from the tiles. Plus, it will prevent more dirt from settling. This trick adds shine to the cleaned surfaces. All you need are Swiffer cloths and a mop. Attach a cloth to the mop and start wiping down all the walls in the bathroom, even those high up near the ceiling that are usually hard to reach. After a moment, look at the mop. You couldn't see it with the naked eye on the wall. Once you've wiped down all the walls, take a second cloth and wipe them all again. Now they will stay clean for a long time. I repeat this process once a month, and I highly recommend you start doing the same. All you need is a Swiffer.